Hey everyone, this is the Bearded Xeno. I got a weird little unboxing here for these Kidrobot South Park figures. I guess they're blind boxes.
Yeah.
Kidrobot blind box figures. Unboxing 7 of them today. Because I bought 6 and you...
I just got one.
Just got one. Okay. So I bought 3 of each. So we have 3 of the fractured but whole ones. And 3 of the Mini Faces of Cartman ones. So we're going to unbox these and see what we've got. So let me... see. You're not even waiting for me. You're going.
Nope.
You want that damn Osmo, don't you? And what is the first one that we have?
Oh, I got what I want.
Mysterion. Oh yeah,
Nice.
dude. Oh, look at that one. That one's so nice. Oh, dude, smell these things. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Yes, I'll keep going with fracture but whole. Why not? You got Osmo. I'm gonna get some of that.
I think I did.
That's only 1 per case, isn't it? McBerry
No
Crunch.
idea. Oh, dude, that's pretty rare, actually. You look at the odds on him.
No, he's 3 out of 20. He's the most common. I like the
I thought it was higher.
No, he's pretty common. He's the most common one. If I got 2 fucking McBerry Crunches, I'll trade you for that Osmo.
No.
You guys so excited when I pulled him? You should.
Thought he was great. He is cool though.
And the human kite.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at that. That's so great. Okay, so I guess we'll go yours.
Yeah, just go ahead and do mine. Okay. Pretty sure it's awesome.
That's fucking awesome.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You son of a bitch. Oh!
Yes!
He's got some accessories.
Oh, cool.
It's a tube of toothpaste.
Nice.
Or something.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, it's Vagisil. It says Vagisil.
Oh, God.
Okay. There's only 1 in 40. God, that's one. It takes 2 cases. 2 cases to get an Osmo. You
I
son
can
of
just tell with this one.
You son of a
This is
bitch.
toothpaste, you fucking liar.
Is this toothpaste?
Yeah.
I thought it was Vagisil.
That still probably comes with the NASCAR one.
God damn it. Tooth Fairy.
That was pretty cool too.
Yeah, but it's not fucking Osmo.
Man.
You just picked a random ass one. You didn't even feel.
No, this one was calling me. I could tell.
Son of a bitch. I got shit going everywhere.
1 out of 40.
1 out of 40. What's the other 1 out of 40 one? Captain
Captain
Cartman.
Cake. I want beefcake too.
Beefcake. Oh, hippie exterminator!
Nice.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. I love that these come with accessories. These things look so fucking nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely buying more of these. These are so much fun. Look at these people just staring at us. That's okay, this is a lot of trash. I think this is the last one, right? Yeah. Dude, that's awesome. That was a big ass bag too. Sumo.
That's cool.
That's the most common one. Damn it. I got hippie exterminator though. I'm happy with that. Go. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave in the comments down below. See you guys in the next video.